How to fix ThinkPhone 25 is not charging. So let's start the video. First of all, check your charger and cable will work properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update a new one charger and cable. After updating a new one charger and cable, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time. And then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings and scroll down in last and then click on system updates. And here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.